Valentine's Day? Really? Time to go F up other people's V-Day. Y'all look cute. Not. Oh, let me get that for y'all. Yeah, oh, let me get the other door for you. You know, I have nothing to do. Here you go. Yep, no problem. Oh, you look so nice. I think you have blood on your dress. You have blood on, yeah, your period may be on. You might not be able to get some tonight. It's a part of the design. It's a flower. Oh, okay. All right. Embarrassing. Hey, where y'all going? Oh, yeah, that restaurant is nasty. Don't go there. Don't go there. You're going to be disappointed. Don't go there. Okay. Hey. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. Come on, Lou. Come on. Hi. Sorry I had to hear that. Oh, you going out for Valentine's Day? Nice, nice. Okay. Who did your makeup? Wow. No, I just thought you looked like a clown. I'm sorry. You know, I almost mistook you for Pennywise. Pennywise. You said you did it? Maybe you should have a professional do it. Yeah, like, oh, you are a okay, all right. That's my cue. Blessings. Blessings. Hey, didn't I see you last week? Yeah, let me step into the light, baby. I do remember you. Yup. Club Onyx. Club Onyx, yup. But you wasn't with her last week. No, remember? Short, light skin, curly hair. You think I'm stupid, don't you? This is tall, black, melanated beauty right here. Okay? You was not with her last week. Please do not. Don't do me. No, I don't forget a face, man. I don't forget a face. Man, you gotta ask me some questions before you go out on this date. Okay? Ask me no questions. Ask me some questions.